I don't know how to do this. And it's a super weird feeling because I really used to know how to do this. Sorry, I should have introduced myself. Hi, I'm Craig, and I'm a developer. I'm a developer educator, actually, to be specific. I educate developers on how to build, whatever it is they want to build. And I've done it for a very, very long time. I love teaching folks who are just getting started on their coding career. And I can remember vividly how challenging it was to get started. Or I guess rather, how challenging it used to be. We're entering a new era and it's bonkers. You can build an entire working application with just your words, like no code at all whatsoever. And if you're new on your building journey, I am so incredibly excited for you. So many brilliant ideas that were previously blocked by lack of programming skills are going to come to life. Today, if you have an idea, you can build it. How bonkers is that? Now, my right now is different from your right now. This space is moving fast. Every day there's a new tool that pops up that lets you build quicker. Today that looks like Lovable or Bolt, Replit Agent, V0, GitHub Spark. And I'm sure that in your today, there was a new tool that just launched. So here's what I don't know. In order to educate, to be a good teacher, I believe that you have to lead with empathy. And this is where things get really weird for me. I don't understand what it feels like to build something without knowing how it works, without being able to read what was produced for me. Now, in the past, I taught learners how to read and write code from foundational concepts. I know where learners would get stuck. I knew where we needed to focus together. And now, builders don't get stuck, right? Or do they? I gotta believe people do still get stuck. I just don't know how best to help them when they do. So here's the deal. Over a series of tutorials, I'm going to show you how to build some AI applications. I'm going to break down things possibly more than you, and I specifically mean you, need. And I'm sorry about that. It's really hard to meet everyone where they're at. If you're coming in and you're a more seasoned developer, you're for sure going to need to build up some of this empathy. You're going to work with these builders who use these tools, and you're going to also need to have empathy and understanding of where you can be of assistance. Now, the goal of this series of tutorials is to get you to play with AI. I want you to go out and touch it, see what it's capable of, feel it. I want you to be comfortable breaking things. All of these tutorials are going to be completed on the Cloudflare developer stack. Now, not only is Cloudflare the label that pays me, but I genuinely believe it's a great place to build AI applications that scale with you. Also, Cloudflare's mission is to help build a better internet. So here it goes. Because we'll be using the Cloudflare developer platform, it's also the way that I can control and know when things on our platform change, so I can keep your tutorials and educational material up to date. Which again, by the way, things are going to change. We're always making things better. You're living in the future compared to me right now. I hope it's awesome there. If anything else feels weird or too different to follow along, remember to check the notes. I'll keep you up to date there and let you know how to get unstuck. And just a reminder, I know you probably already know this, but there's speed controls on the video. Please feel free to speed me up or slow me down. Skip around. The chapters will all be listed out for you. Now, to be clear, I want you to take control of these tutorials to get what you need out of them. And one more time, just in case I haven't said it enough, always check the teacher's notes. I'll add additional information in there for where you can go and learn more. Finally, I want your feedback. I need your feedback. Just like AI, these tutorials only get better based on human feedback. I need your help to let me know where you need more information. Are you ready? Let's do this.